Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. Let us now solve sixth bit in this problem 3. See here, they have given first term a is equal to 2, common difference d is equal to 8, sum of the n terms 90 they have given, but we don't know how many terms are there, means we don't know n value. So we are going to find n value and we have to also find nth term value we have to find. So first of all, let us find the value of n. Since in the question they have given sum of the n terms is equal to 90, now we are going to use the formula of sum of the n terms. So let us substitute these values in this formula so that we can write as shown here on the screen. If you take this 2 towards left side, you have to multiply with 90. So when you multiply with 90, you will get 180 is equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8. When you subtract 4 minus 8, you will get minus 4. And when you multiply n with 8n, you will get 8n square. N with minus 4, you will get minus 4n. And that is what we have written here. When you divide this equation with 4 on both sides, left side and right side, you can write as shown here on the screen. Now this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So to find the value of n, we need to do factorization. Before factorization, we need to split the middle term. And on this splitting the middle term, we have separate playlist and videos. Please watch so that you can easily understand how we are splitting and factorizing this. After factorization, we will get n value 5 or minus 9 by 2. But in arithmetic progression, we will never have number of terms as negative or fraction. So that is why the value of n we will choose as 5, because n value should not be minus 9 by 2. Finally, we got n is equals to 5, and that is what they asked to find in the beginning. Now we are going to find the value of an. Just now we got the value of n is equal to 5. So now let us find an is nothing but a5 using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this formula, we need to substitute a is equals to 2, n is equal to 5, d is equal to 8. So when you substitute, you can write as shown here. Here 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4, and after simplification you will get 34. What is this? a5, nth term. So finally we got value of n is equal to 5. Fifth term is nothing but an, we got 34. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.